How to backup WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. Let's get started. Launch your WhatsApp. Now at the bottom, you're going to find an option. Navigate to the option of settings. Once you're in the settings tab here, you're going to find different options. Head over to the option of chats. Click on that. Different options will appear. You'll see the option move chats to Android, transfer chats to iPhone. If you want to transfer all the chats to the Android device, you can use this option and do that. As you just want to backup WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive, you can click on the option of chat backup. With that, you're going to find the list of the conversation. Now, head over to any of the conversation that you want to backup. You are not able to backup all the chat at once, but what you have to do is manually backup each chat. So, go ahead and click on it. You'll get this kind of pop-up. Attach media or without media. Select the option of your choice. You'll get this kind of pop-up. Now, from this list, select the option Drive. Now go ahead and select the folder and then upload it. By following the same steps, you can easily backup other chats as well. So this is how you can easily backup WhatsApp on iPhone to Google Drive. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.